guys, it's Leah, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. Would like to wish you all a very happy new year and all the best for the coming year of 2020. And I'd like to take the opportunity just to thank all my subscribers for their support. And I look forward to bringing you lots and lots of great videos in the coming year. So the giveaway I have up for grabs this month of January are the Emily Edits Wants and Needs palettes, which are absolutely gorgeous. This is the Needs palettes. This has everything from your contour, your blusher, your highlighter, your setting powder, and we have 6 eyeshadows, which are pretty much everyday use. So go ahead, I'll leave the link in the description down below for you to have a look to enter. And then we have this palette also. This is the Wants palette. I received this in one of my mystery bags from Revolution. I hadn't heard of this young lady before. One of my subscribers filled me in, told me all about her. So I decided that would be a great little cute giveaway. So, as I said, I'll leave the link for the video to enter down below. Right, on to the goodies. LipMonthly is a monthly subscription. It costs me £13.29 a month. It does come from the US, so you do kind of get it later than anybody else. There are no taxes or anything, or if there are, it's all included in the price. You normally get 4 items which are fully sized. They come in this packaging, and they also come in a cute little bag. So I have November and December to show you. I have had a look, and I've also gone online. I wanted to do a box value because unfortunately the little cards that you do get tell you nothing about the products or how much they are. So this just says, welcome to November 2019 bag. It's time for your again, where the days. It's that time of year again. Sorry, I can't read. Let's shove my glasses on, it might be more helpful. Okay, it's that time of year again where the days begin to get shorter and the weather continues to get cooler for most of us. This month your bag includes an amazing a line up of Lippys, some of our favourite brands. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured in our Instagram at LipMonthly. Enjoy your goodies, LipMonthly. I will leave a link down below again for you guys. If you would like to take out the LipMonthly subscription, your first order will be $5 off. So it's not affiliated or anything. I'll leave that down below in case you want to give it a go. Right, done enough talking. Let's have a look at these items. So the first item we have, this is by Luna. It is a lip oil. I went onto their website. This is a value of $18. So it comes in a little tube. This does have a shade colour called Cosmo. And I have to say, I've tried this and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's not like sticky or anything, and it actually stays put. So I really actually love, and I love the packaging. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but there's like stars on the packaging, which is very cute. I like that a lot. Cute. And as I said, that has a retail value of $18. Okay, then we have a Model & Co. Lippy. So I couldn't find this on their website. It comes in the colour Tango Pink. I found it on eBay and it was anywhere between $4, $5 and $5.99. That's in dollars. And it is rather pretty nude. Yeah, definitely my kind of shade. Do like it? It's very creamy. Very nice, like that. Okay, then next we have, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called Fini. Peony. This is a lip scrub. This is worth $16. Look, not that one. This one. Comes in a little box. This is a full-size product. So it buffs away dead skin, moisturizes and revives lips, gives a radiant finish, and it is cruelty-free, which I'm always happy to hear about. So that's what comes in a little tube like this. Oh, it's sealed. I'm not going to open it because I have one on the go already. Not this, but a different one. I'm using MAC lip scrub at the moment, which thumbs up, love it. Okay, and our final product in this bag, this is by Jelly Juice. This is a Trifle Cosmetics. What is it? It's vegan, no parabens, no gluten. Yummy glowy lip treatment made with plant-based oils, vitamin E and shea butter. Okay, this has a value of $12 and this comes in cute. Look at the packaging on that, guys. How cute and sweet is that? Love it. So just have a little bit of colour to it. My kind of colour, really like that. Beautiful. Like that a lot. Very, oh, it smells adorable. Oh my God. Oh, I don't know whether it's meant to, but it actually smells like trifle. Or maybe ice cream. I like that. Right, so I did count up how much everything came to. So the value of this box was $51, which I think is pretty cool considering we only paid £13.29. So definitely got your money's worth. Really happy with that. And I love the little bags you get as well, really handy. Right. And then on to December's. How cute is this bag? It just had the LipMonthly logo on each of the bags. So inside here, first is I don't know how to pronounce this, guys, sorry, it's Hikari. It's a lipstick. I found this on their website for $5. It's in the shade Cabinet. Oh, it's a nice billet. I like that. Nice. And the shade is very pretty. Yeah, it's nice. Bottom one, very nice. Like that, wear that. Okay. What have we got next? We then got Cargo Cosmetics. This is Swimmables. It's a long wear eyeshadow stick. This is in the colour Morrow Bay. This is on their website for $20. Oh, can I open it? It's nice that you get eyeshadows. I mean, I always thought it would be just lipstick, but no, you get eyeshadows. So it's beautiful packaging. As you can see, this is the colour here. Let's just do a swatch. Oh, it's lovely and creamy. Goes on like a absolute dream. So obviously it's this one here. Like that a lot. Beautiful. Looks expensive. Very nice.6 we have, again, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. EVIO. So this has value on their website of £10.39, and this is a lip liner. So it comes like this. This is the colour shade here. Again, very neutral, very creamy. So it's this one here. Very nice, like that. So £10.39 for the lip liner. And then last of all, we have a Saw Me All Day Smooch Proof Lip Stain. This is in the colour Fatal. This has a value of $17. I looked for this on their website and that's what it was coming up with. So, sorry, this is the box that it comes in. And this is the packaging. Again, I like this. I'm a bit thingy about the colour though. I'm not sure that that is my cup of tea. And then, okay, so it's like a felt tip, but it goes on amazingly well. It's this one here. And thank goodness that colour doesn't look like that colour. It's a bit more subtle. Great, like that. I'll use that as well. Okay, so that's all of the items. I'm sure you must agree. Oh, sorry, that value of that one of December's bag was £52.39. So if you add them two together, we've got what, 53 quid for the sake of £26. No, £102, sorry. For the price of £26. So I feel like it's absolutely well worth it. Like I said, because it comes from the USA, you get subscriptions quite late on in the day, but I don't care. I'm happy to pay that because I love lipsticks and I think it's really, really good value. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What's your favourite product? Do you have any of this? Do you think you would use the subscription yourself? Right, that's it. So, if you want to know anything, don't forget, use the community tab. That's what it's there for our little community. Till I do my next video, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.